Using form to evaluate a feature. One very reliable way to evaluate both a datum and a regular feature is to look at its form. You can be assured that the size that you measure cannot be any more accurate than the form that is reported on that feature. So what I do as a habit is I include circularity for my bores, and I include flatness for planes and straightness for lines. And I use those values as a gauge for the uncertainty of the measurement. For instance, the circularity of this particular bore comes out at 2/10 60 millionths. So I know that the size can't be any more accurate than the circularity of that particular feature. Now sometimes you don't want to include that information in your reports for fear that a customer may see it. So what you want to do is switch your output using the F7 key to none. And what this will do, place the dimension inside of your program, but the results themselves will not be sent to the report. So this allows you as the programmer to review these form errors and to do any further investigation on these measurements if required. Now another nice tool for looking at the form is the analysis view command, and you can find that under Insert, Report Command, Analysis. And this is what it looks like for the feature that I measured. And we've got some nice things that come up by default here. First of all, we've got the tolerance zone as shown as blue lines. Another thing we have inside of this dialog is the maximum and minimum values for this form. Now we can change these options under Show and Show Options. And we have checkboxes for the available options. Another nice thing that I put in here is something called the dimension stats. And I'm just going to select that circularity, and I'm going to pick the max and min measured values and the number of points. And so now, not only do I have a summary of the form, but I can see graphically where all the form error is. The last thing I might want to do is add this to my program with Create Analysis View command.